All right, here is your second option for finishing your Khan Academy assignments. It's a little different than what you're used to. Instead of doing your assignments, after you log in, you go ahead and log in. Again, when you log in, you'll see this course mastery. Sometimes that's the first thing that you see when you log in. Now, typically, we've gone to assignments, and you click on assignments and go there. But this is another way that you can finish your Khan Academy assignments for the semester. Some of you have had some struggles with the assignments, but so here's another way that you can do it. And that is to finish the course mastery for both of these at 35% or more. Now you can see from this sample, this student is at 23% completed on their pre-algebra and 32% completed on their 7th grade. You need to be done 35% on both. 35 on the pre-algebra, 35 on the 7th grade. And here's how you do it. If we were to click on the pre-algebra, it takes us to the pre-algebra page, the lesson pages. Right? And over on the left here, you can see that there's the 23%. This student has 5,950 points out of a total of 26,200 points. Their mastery level is at level 1 on pre-algebra. All right. So to get 35, you'll have to complete some of the lessons, and that can be whichever lessons you'd like to work on. All right. I'll leave that up to you to decide which lessons you'd like to work on. I'm going to show you how to work through the fractions one. So if we go down here to fractions, click on fractions, it'll jump down to the box on fractions. And this student has 740 points out of 5,000 on their fractions. Right? Now again, finishing all the fractions may not be enough for 35%. So you may have to work in other areas as well, or you can do combinations of areas. Right? Well, if you choose fractions or any other, like measurement, decimals, negative numbers, any of these other topics, here's what will happen. So you click on fractions, and it'll take you to the lesson page. All right? Now on the lesson page, you will see your skill summary. Above that, you'll see how many points in the area you've got. So this student is at 15% done with their fractions, 740 points out of 5,000. They're at level 1 on that, partially done with level 1. These little bars here show each category, each little piece of the fractions lessons that the student has done. The bars that have 2 spots full mean the student is completed with that activity. No spots full means they haven't started it yet. 1 spot full means that they started it, but maybe they need to do it again. All right? And that'll be on all of these. You'll see that on all these. So you can scroll up and down and actually click on whichever things you'd like to go to. Or you can go right to the top, scroll down from the top as well. On the right side here, you'll see the lessons, and in the center, you'll see the videos that go along with this lesson. So this student has already watched all of these videos. That's what the blue check mark represents. They have already finished the first lesson here, the cut shapes into equal parts. It says, nice, ready to move on. And the bars are full. There's two bars here that are full. The next place for this student to work is fractions in context. It says, up next for you, and a big blue button that says, start. All right? And you can see that it's grayed out here. They haven't started this one yet. The one below that, they actually have started it, so they must have skipped one at some point. This one says try again. They haven't finished it. They didn't do so well the first time through, so they'll try that one again. But the best way to do this is to do these in order. So start with the one that says up next for you. You may have to scroll down a ways on your page to find that, but you want to start with the one that says up next for you. So if we do that, we'll go ahead and click on start, and it'll take you to your questions. So you'll work through your questions. This one has 4 questions. You do them the best you can. If you need help, of course, you can click on watch a video or get the hint. The hints are really helpful because they take you through step by step on how to solve the problems. And then once you have finished all 4 of your questions, once you're done and you've gone check, it'll take you back to your lesson page, and then you'll see that, oh, maybe I didn't quite score as high as I wanted to. Fractions in context, I got some of it right, but not all of it. So it says try it again, so I can try it again. But if you did pass all of those, then you will, it'll say nice, ready to move on, and you'll get the full bars. Right? Then you move on to the next one. and the next one, and the next one. This one, for this student, it does say try again, and down here you'll notice it says up next for you. But I would say go back and do this one again. You want to try to get full bars in each one of these. So when you go back in and try it again, you'll get different questions. You might get some of the same questions. Either way. Again, you go through your questions. And then I want to show you something else. If you click on up at the top here where it says go to lesson page, it will take you to the entire lesson of, in this case, fractions intro. The fractions intro. You'll see the level here, math, arithmetic, fractions intro. All of these on the left side here are the lessons and the videos that go along with the introduction to fractions. And if you're someone like me who likes to do things in order, it might be helpful just to go one by one down through the videos, down through the exercises, one by one. You'll get the same set of questions, follows the same format, but it kind of actually guides you through one by one into the next things. If you ever wanted to go back to that main page and select other menu, you can always click on either fractions intro, fractions, arithmetic. You can kind of go backwards if you wanted to. All right, and it'll take you back here. All right, so after you finish those, again, you can choose another one or choose whatever topics you'd like, and you should see your total percentage change then. Again, your goal is to get 35% on here, and however many points that would be for you. And then you'll also want to do that in the 7th grade math. So again, this is your second option for finishing your Khan Academy assignments. You can do the mastery challenges, or the course mastery, or you can do your assignments that I've given you. Check the other video for that.